And that lick part here is like so just is pretty much the same thing as the intro. You just kind of lead into it after this chord here. I'll play through it. Same stuff that we know. This chord though that we end on, and then we do the let it snow part. Right there. And then we play these three chords. Okay. And that's how we come out of it and go to verse 2. So those chords again are here. C chord. One more time. Okay. And then to go into verse 2, we do this little thing here. And then back to that major 7 chord. So once you get to the C here, that's when we play those 2 extra chords, which are here. And then this one. Sorry. So it's just and then into the major 7. Same thing as verse 1, pretty much. Now, the big difference with verse 2 is there is a pre-chorus that's added onto it. If you remember when we played this chord, I'll just do the 3 chords before where we were doing this. Where we got here and then we went into the chorus. Instead, we're going to be doing a pre-chorus, and I'll play through that, show you. So it's like go into the chorus. So let's look at those chords where we were here, and then you do a walk up. So those are. We have F major 7. Play some licks here. Here. So it's like and here. Okay, let's put it all together. Into the verse again, or the chorus. And once you get through the chorus for the second time, so those last 3 chords again for that are here, and you get here. Now we're going to go into one of my favorite parts of the song, just kind of like the outro, where you're doing this again. I'll play through it. Those chords. We know these, and this one up here, that major 7. We actually know all these chords. We're just playing them in different arrangement. Go slow speed from the beginning. So let's just start with those previous 3 chords and go into it. There we go. Time. You just play that till the song ends pretty much.